I finally traveled back home today.
Check-in done, flight delayed.
Satya, na saw my happiness. The flight was delayed by 40 minutes and more. Can you imagine?
So traveling to Goa via Mumbai, I met this lovely lady who is one of our followers.
Very nice area for a drink.
And I met our follower Bridget. Eldon is quite happy that I met somebody at the moment, I know. And the flight is busy, 1 hour delayed, but it's spacious. So I'm happy about it.
And take off anything that could damage the slide.
एक आटीन फ्लाइटीन टेक ऑफ केलं, दुसऱ्या आटीन आयन टेक ऑफ केलं with my bottle of whiskey. And a good movie after all. The food was alright, not very great. But guess what I saw? Somebody watching Big Bang Theory. I know most of you know about this feature, but I love watching these views. The left side view, the right side view, the cockpit view, 360 view. This is one of my favorite features. While we were back to enjoying our snacks,
This is a very important message. Any of our customers that were going on to Goa and this was the 0450 flight, you have now been rebooked onto the 1120 flight in the morning.
We are trying to speed up the process.
it was a rush to collect the baggage, and
We have just checked in to our next flight and they have rebooked our flight to 11:20.
He kept the tags with him, look. Now when I went over your tags, he's asking me.
And my person who's checking in at Mumbai airport was actually like that dozing. She was actually sleeping. So I don't know, maybe she's working long hours, they're not getting proper rest. If you ask them anything, they're not replying nicely. There's no smile on their face. There is absolutely zero customer service over here. Very bad. How much did you pay for water? 150. I think 20 rupees is the water and your cup is costing more. You better showcase that cup. They have rebooked us to Terminal 1. Now when you ask any staff how to get there, they're asking us to take a taxi, but I'm not paying for the taxi because that's not our fault. That is their fault and they need to arrange something for it. So they said there's a bus outside and I asked him what kind of a bus. He said it's an AC bus. I have no words.
Electric bus.
Officially waiting for the bus. I think London bus was not enough for us. Now we're waiting in Mumbai for the bus. I went and I spoke to one of the Indigo members, the staff members, and requested them to give us some, vouchers for food and stuff like that. And so now I'm going back to check with them. So I think the oldest member over here, the oldest passenger is Mr. Pigeon. Kitere patra tuge flight miss salo tugai rebook kelo kedo aspacho. So by this time we were supposed to be in Goa, but we are still in Bombay having breakfast. Breakfast is done in Bombay. Now we are going back. We took a small nap. Finally boarded. All my bags are here. Papa is outside. Look who's here. Mama, say hi. Papa, say hi. So finally we reached Goa. After all that Pursa. But lovely meeting you. Thank you so much. Mother India is sitting inside the car. Enjoying. Looks like she's come from London. That got lagota. And father is over here.
I hope you guys enjoyed my vlog. See you in the next vlog.